Hi guys, all of you good morning. Guys, we are in third session in Git and GitHub classes. Guys, in previous class, we saw that how to install and configure Git in depth and along with the prerequisites. The same concept we are going to configuring, but 1 minute guys. Okay guys, in today's session, once again, we are going to configuring end to end, but we are going to finishing within 5 to 10 minutes only. So we need to forward with a new concept. Okay, so that please try to understand. So, okay guys, but we are having complete end to end with a detailed explanation in a previous class. I mean that yesterday's class. Please go through that. Okay, yes guys. Now the second in today's session also same one we are going to configuring, but I am going to finishing in only 5 to 10 minutes. The prerequisites, one is mail ID required, the second one one local mission to install Git. The mail ID for to get OTP from the GitHub organization. Okay. Yes. Now my mail ID is ready. Now open one more new tab and yes, open that github.com. Yes. Now click on that sign up. If you have GitHub account, no problem. You can use existing GitHub account. If you don't have GitHub account, now you can learn how to create a GitHub account. Okay. Now click on that sign up. Now your existing mail ID. Existing mail ID means just now we have created one. No? Just I'm taking this one. Yes. Apply that. Yeah. Next password. Okay. But the password must be uppercase, lowercase, special character, and number. Okay. Yes. This one. Yes. If mail ID and password both are okay, yes, you can see this right tick mark. Now here, yes, the name must be unique. Name must be unique. It's compared to and it verifying with existing database users. Yes, already someone taken. This is also not available. Yes, it's available. Okay. It's just I'm taking this one. So I'm using my regular GitHub account, not this one. For your understanding purpose, I'm using new one. Okay. Just click on this. Continue. Yes. Now we will get one 8-digit ID verification ID. Just verify this one. Yes. Now just wait. Now open your mail ID. Just we got this one. Just take this, or else you can open directly here also. But already we have opened. No? Just paste here. Just click on that. Continue. Yes, that's it. Now click on that. Sign in. Yes, guys. Success. Okay. Successfully we have created. Successfully we have created GitHub account. One GitHub account is ready. Then okay, we need to install Git in our local machine. Yes. Let me install. Yes, this is my local machine. Let me log in as a root. Yes, if you have that sudo privileges, yes, you can log in into with the sudo privileges. Okay, in real time, always we are working with the sudo privileges only. We are not logging into root user. That is not good practice. Okay, yes, this is my IP address. Let me log in into SSH tool. By SSH tool, we are logging. Yes, yes. Let me increase font size. Yes, you can use Mobextream also or Putty also you can use. Okay, this is extended tool to Putty because we will get multiple tabs. Yes, guys, this is my local server. Yes, now first of all, set me Please let me set host name. Host name ctl set icon host name. Yes, git server. Yes, exec bash. Now you can see that host name. Yes, now you can see that yes, git space hyphen version. Git is not Git is not available. So that we are seeing that git command not found. And yes, if you want to see either the package installed or not, yum list git. If the package is available, it means we haven't installed git in our local machine. Just wait. See guys. Note this one. This is the experience. If you are seeing that as a available, it means we haven't installed git in our local machine. So this is the available package. If we install git, we can see this version. We will get 2.4.3.5. Now let me install yum install git space -y. So this is the command to install git. Size is 14 MB, but installable is 63 MB package. We must have internet. Without internet, we can't do this all. Even uploading and down. I mean that push and pull. Okay, and downloading Git. Okay, even to install Git in our local machine and to create GitHub. Okay, internet is mandatory. That a little bit high speed internet is mandatory. At least minimum to minimum 500 Mbps speed is mandatory. Okay, guys. Now, guys. Okay, successfully we have installed. Now you can ask the same question. Yum list git. See, guys. See, before installing, we saw that available package. Now we are seeing that installed. It's mean already we have installed git in our local machine. rpm space -qi git. The package installed. We can see detailed information about git, the version, release, architecture, install date, group, size, license. See guys, this all information we can see. If we haven't installed git, we can't see this information. Git command not found, we can see. Git command not found, we can see. But now successfully we have installed git in our local machine. Two tasks over. Next, we need to create one GitHub repository in the GitHub account. Yes, you can see at present here also, and this is the permanent one. And this is the temporary one. Once you create one repository, you can't see this option after creating that. Yes, you can choose any one. Same one. Yes, DevOps project 1. Yes, we are choosing public, and don't forget about this one. Add a readme.md file. Okay, we will discuss in upcoming classes what is the reason for selecting this one. If you are not selecting this one, what will happen? We can see in the upcoming classes. Okay, guys. Yes, now select first. At present, don't forget about this one. Please select this one. Okay, now create repository. Now we have created public repository. It's not a private, it's a public repository. Now this one is over. The next one, we need to generate SSH key in our local machine. Yes, the command SSH-key gen. Just hit the enter. Now we got two keys, one ID underscore rsa.pub and one is RSA. This is the private key and this is the public key. Now we need to take this public key and we need to place it to GitHub repository. Yes, in yesterday's class I shown you clearly what is the reason for generate SSH key. If you try to execute without SSH key, what will happen? Yes, we saw both. You can go through that video, guys. Detailed class with 1 hour 30 minutes session. But we need to finish within 5 to 10 minutes. Almost 5 minutes over. Then next to 5 minutes we need to finish this one. Yes, I'm taking that is class root .ssh id underscore rsa.pub. This is the public key. take this key, yes, without missing any single character, then move to your GitHub repository. Yes, click on that repository settings, note that point and keep in mind repository settings, okay. Yes, click on that deploy keys, yes, click on that add key, add deploy key, yes, place here, then you can title any one, just click on that allow, right access, add key. Yes, this one is over. Now move to repository. Yes, now click on this one, click on that SSH, then copy this one. Yes, we must select SSH. By using HTTPS, you can't clone, you can clone, but you can't upload the files into GitHub repository. You can't push it. In Git terminology, you can't push files by using HTTPS on Linux machines. Okay, so that we have configured SSH passwordless authentication, secure shell login. Okay, yes, select this one. Now move to your local machine, be in the OPT folder. Don't be okay other than OPT. Okay, for better practice, for better experience, okay, for better security. Okay, be inside OPT. Now, okay, PWD we are in OPT. Now, git space hyphen version. This is the first command. See guys, this is the version present latest version. I mean that whatever we have installed in our local machine, this is the 2.43.5, but latest version is 2.490, 2.49.0. Okay, yes, we will see that one also in upcoming class. Okay, now successfully we have installed git. Now let me get the repository from remote to local. Git clone is a command, that command used to get the entire repository from remote to local. Yes, paste here. Yes, yes, apply that yes. Yes, now successfully we got that repository. We cloned that repository. Just wait. Just wait. Yes, successfully we cloned. Guys, you must have Linux experience also. Even if you are using Git Bash, if you are using Git Bash in your local machine, I mean that on Windows machine, we must have Linux. Git Bash also Linux. It works on Linux commands. The reason for must having Linux, yes, if you want to see files, if you want to create files, if you want to update files, if you want to delete files, if you want to rename files, if you want to edit the files, we must have basic Linux commands. LL, long list. Now, see guys, whatever we have created repository in the remote, that one we got into local machine. Now be inside that. Now be inside that repository. Now guys, PWD. Okay, now this one is the repository, which one we have cloned from remote to local. Okay, yes, we did this one. We cloned this one. Yes, local SS key added and go to repository. We did this one already. Yes, we deployed and added, and we added the text and we labeled that and we allowed that permission and we clicked on that add key and move to repository. This one also over, this one also over, this one also over, this one also over, this one also over. Okay, this one also over. Right now we are inside. Yes, now we clone that repository. We clone that repository. Okay, now apply ll command. Just now we did that one. Now we are inside cloned repository. Cloned repository and apply that one more command ll to see inside what we are having. So now in the locally we are in the repository. We are in the remote repository. We are also in the remote repository. The same whatever we are seeing this structure, the same structure we are seeing in the local. But of course we can't see this one. The remaining we can see this repository name under this readme.md file we can see. But we can't see this one directly. We need to apply one more command. We will see that. Yes guys. Okay, now ll. See guys, so while creating repository we have selected that readme.md file. Md mean metadata. Md mean metadata. It's a empty file. Nothing we are inside this, just we can see the only repository name. See guys, repository name. This is the text message inside that file. Text message inside that file. Okay. Yes. Okay. Just wait. Yes. If we want new line, okay, this command is not working. So echo command not working. Okay, guys, we'll see that. So I'm trying to get in new line. Okay, echo command will work. At present, not working. Okay, we'll see that. Okay, this is the command to see content inside this file. Okay, this is the message. That's it. Inside that readme.md, that is, we can modify. So we can write what we are having requirement with the project. So that I mean that the meaning of project, purpose of project, just we can give that brief introduction, the brief introduction about that repository project. Okay guys, that's all here. Yes, yesterday what we did guys, up to here, and we have executed some other commands now. Yes guys, this is the yesterday's class. Okay, yes, up to here. At present we are here. Now we need to configure this one guys. Yes guys, yesterday I told you that yes, in tomorrow's session we will discuss about this one. We will discuss about this one little bit in detail. Okay, so the reason, guys, keep in mind, Git is a version control system and a distributed version control system. Git is a Git is a version control system and a distributed version control system. Distributed version control system. What is a version and what is a distribution? Guys, imagine it. Imagine it. So why we need to apply these two commands? These are very important. Okay, these are very important. So why we need to apply this command? These two are mandatory. Without these two, we can't commit the files. We can't commit the files. Let me show you practically. So now I am going to creating one file as a developer, as a DevOps engineer, as a network engineer, as a system engineer, or as a database engineer, or a database content, or if I'm the content writer, or if I'm the HR manager or HR resource person, or any platform, any domain. Even if you are the student, if you are the first class student, if you are the second class student, yes, you can use this Git and GitHub account to maintain your records up to date. Up to date. Okay, guys. Everyone can use this one. Every person can use this Git and GitHub account. As a DevOps engineer, if you come to a real world industry, IT industry, just imagine it. If you are the developer, I mean that Java programmer or C programmer or Python programmer. Once we write one program, after that we need to upload into one centralized location. One centralized location. That centralized location is this GitHub. This GitHub is the centralized repository, centralized source code management, centralized source code management manager. So what we are doing here, we are uploading all all files formatted. If it is JPG format or any other PDF or any .java, .c, .python or .db, any kind of format. Okay, you are the member in project. If you are having your contribution, 100% you have to centralize that contribution in one location. That is calling as a centralized server. Centralized server. This is the repository. Just now we have created one project, DevOps project 1. See guys, now I'm the DevOps engineer. I want to create one shell script file for installing latest version of Git. Latest version of Git. Okay. So now what I'm doing that, now I'm going to writing one shell script program, that is, just let me, yes, Git latest version .sh. Okay, so what we are doing that, yes, m update -y host name, if you want host name, ctl set host name, yes, local git local git. Okay, yes, exec bash bash, then yes, we are going to installing prerequisites, m install vim wget tar make unzip -y. Okay, vim wget tar make unzip -y. Next, some more prerequisites, m install curl -devel expact -devel get text -devel open ssl-devel and zglib-devel. These are the packages. Next, so m install gcc perl ext utils make maker -y ext utils make maker -y. Next is cd/opt. If you want to see latest version of Git, cd/opt, then move to browser, open one new tab, yes, git downloads, yes, search this one, then click on this one downloads button. Don't try to download this one. See guys, this is for Windows. The latest version is 2.49.0, but we are trying to install on Linux machine, so choose this one, Linux or Unix. Click on this one. Okay, come to bottom of the page, then you can find here download a tarball. See guys, now here from beginning, from day one we can see what they have released. Okay, this is the first package on 2000, okay, on April 9th 2005. This is the size of package. Okay, now 2025. Okay, now you can see that, yes, git hyphen 2.49.0 .tar.gz. Yes, this one, that gz package only have to download. Take this one, copy this link, then move to your script location. Yes, wget already we have installed. Wget command for to download packages, either software or video or audio or any kind of format from remote to local. Now tar space -xvf, already we have installed tar package. Tar for extracting and creating packages. Yes, now, yes guys, so we are going to extracting. Now cd, we are entering into git. We will get one folder with the name of git -2.49. Next, make prefix equals to /usr local git space all, git space all. The same command we are taking here. We are going to compiling. Make is a command already we have installed. Make is a command. That command used for to compile all .c files. This Git software developed by C programming software. This Git software developed by C programming language. This Git software developed by Linus Torvalds. Linus Torvalds. Linus Torvalds developed this software by using C programming language. So we will get all C files. We will get all C files inside this directory. Those files we are going to compiling by using make command. So this is for to install latest version of Git. Just apply that install. So this command is the highest time taking command to compile all kinds of files, so that it will take time. But it's a matter of below 1 minute. Below 1 minute. Then okay, if you have that older version of Git, yes, now remove that remove git space -y. This command works on the default package. So how we will get this package? By installing install git space -y. It will remove that previous version, older version if already installed. If not installed, it won't execute that. Next, we are cleaning that previous garbage. If the garbage is there, we are going to removing that garbage. Then for a temporary execution, export path equals to $path /usr local git bin. This is the command to set the path, but it's a temporary path. Once you reboot your machine, your Git won't work. You need to apply once again the same command. If you don't want, apply this command again and again on every reboot or booting the system. Just we need to set path permanently in some other files. That's calling as a permanent variable setting. This is the temporary variable setting. Now git space -- version. So if everything is okay, with this all steps, yes, if everything is okay by these all steps, we can see the git latest version by applying this command. Okay, so let me take this. This is the script, guys. This is the script. Okay, as a DevOps engineer or a DevOps administrator, whatever the prerequisites for configuring DevOps environment, yes, this is my first step. Okay, on Git environment setup. Now I'm going to installing latest version of Git by using this all step. But I'm using shell script. Let me take this one. Yes, now I'm going to creating a file. See guys, that part is different. This part is different. Yesterday I have created some garbage files. If you observe this one, yesterday I have created some garbage files. I'll show you. See guys, these are the garbage files. I don't have any kind of content inside that file. I don't have any kind of content. If you observe that one, yes, even LL command, see 000 size. But today, okay, how we are going to acting in real world, how we are working with the files in real world, the same scenario I am showing you. And this is one real example. For install latest version of Git in real world also. In real world also you can use. Okay. Yes. Now I'm taking this one. Copy this one. Now move to your Linux machine. Now create one file with the name of already we have installed. Okay, I think we haven't installed this VIM. Yes, if you apply that VIM, see guys, command not found, command not found. So already we have mentioned that inside that file, no, shell script file. So it will take care. Now I am using VI, okay, install git latest dot assets dot assets. Hit the enter and be insert mode, be in insert mode, then paste here. Yes, escape, shift to colon, WQ, WQ. Okay, guys, I want to show you. I want to show you. Someone said that in even, see guys, by default we didn't get, by default we didn't get VIM. Someone said that, okay, so for our for some by for better experience. Yes, come here. See, someone said that, what he said that, but I didn't replay that. Yes, don't mind. The reason for showing this. Yes, VI and VIM, VI and VIM. Someone said that, comments you can see, 4 comments. What he said, why even mention VI anymore? It's me. He is saying that, okay, VI not using, VI not using. It's a totally, okay. Observe the VI command on most system launch VIM by default. By default, VIM should not come. You have seen just now. You have seen. See guys, command not found. But VIM command will work. But by default, we will not get. By default, we will not get on minimal OS. On minimal OS. So what is minimal OS? Once again, I want to say that. So the minimal OS, Alma Linux, Alma Linux download. See guys, if you want to see this one also, this is also one experience. You will get that experience. See guys, Alma Linux 9.5. If you download this one, you will get huge packages. Huge packages. So you need not install on this OS. If you download this 9.5, not only VIM, not only VIM. This is only installable size. But once you install this package, the OS size it goes to minimum 15 GB above size. 15 GB. Unnecessary packages you will get. Unnecessary packages you will get. For best example, I'm taking one small example. Guys, imagine it. You are you are having interest to eat biryani. You are having interest to eat biryani. Only you are the only one person. Now you tell me what kind of order you can you give for only single or family pack? Tell me guys. Please open up. Open up. Speak out guys. It's not a one side class. It's complete interaction class. Nothing to worry. Now you tell me. Are we going to buy only single package or family package?
Single
Single.
package, sir.
Single. Okay, if you buy family package for single person, what will happen? Money waste, food waste. Yes or no? If you buy family pack for single person, money waste and food waste. Okay, one side totally complete, both side food waste, but one side we are losing money, we are wasting money, but someone gaining that money. But finally, food is waste. It's me. Why you need to install why we need to install unnecessary package. If you install those unnecessary package, system will run always that packages backend. Those all packages should run in backend. Whenever the packages are running in backend, automatically whatever we have given resources, I mean that free -h. See, I have given only 4 GB RAM. Yes, it will consume entire whatever we have given resources, but no use with, no use. Even the processors also. So how many processors we have given? Only we have given 2 processors. We have given only 2 processors. The system only will consume all these resources. Now you tell me how you can execute our application. How we can execute our application. See, now only it's consumed only 4, I mean that almost 500 MB only. 500 MB only it's consumed. Still it's available 3.1 GB. This is one advantage. I'm using minimal OS. Even if you choose this one also, yes, you will get some packages, VAM, some default packages you will get. Here also, yes, unnecessary package we will get. We will get unnecessary package here also by choosing this one. If you ask me one question, yes, in real world, which one we are using? Yes, I'm saying that 100% we are using initially minimal OS. Minimal OS. Here also I'm taking one example. Okay, just imagine it. In our family, yes, we are having kids. 2 plus or 4 plus or 5 plus or 10 plus year kids are there. They don't know initially. When they are trying to take lunch or breakfast or something, what they will do, guys? What they will? Yes, they will put the all items at a time in one plate. At a time they will put all items, but they don't know, okay, are they having capability to complete or not. But as an experienced person, what we are saying, don't put all items in your plate. Whatever you want, how much you want, just put slowly, some little bit. So what is the reason? What is the reason for saying that? Whenever you want additional, yes, you can take it from the bowl, but at a time, don't put all items, huge items, okay, at a time in your plate. So why we are saying that? What is the reason for saying? Yes, they can put in their plate, but they can't eat all items. They can't finish. Food is waste. Food is waste. Okay, they are wasting food. So once they put some item in one plate, once they finish, they can take some more after finishing. It's me. It's me. We are not wasting food and we are not putting load on the plate. We are not putting load on the plate. It's mean what I'm saying. If you want to install whatever the package is required, yes, you can install one by one. Okay, don't try to install all packages at a time. Okay, with unnecessary packages also. We don't know which package is useful, which package is not useful. If you are choosing minimal OS, yes, it will consume less resources for managing, operating system. Okay, the remaining space, I mean that resources will be free. System health 100% under control. System always under control. System always in a healthy mode. If you install unnecessary package, yes, we can't. We can't. So in real world, what we are doing? See, by default we didn't get. By default we didn't get. We didn't get. What is that? VAM. Now we have, see, VAM package is not available. If really it is required, yes, you can install. If really it is required, you can install. If it is not required, just leave there. But if you install that, if you install that, if you are not having requirement, the VAM package will consume resources. It consume resource, disk space it will consume, processor will consume, and RAM will consume. But we are not working. So what will happen? Unnecessarily we have installed packages, but the system going down. The performance is going down. Okay, so that in real world we are using minimal OS. Okay, and we should not get any kind of side effects by installing side packages. Okay, maybe port mapping, I mean that networking port mapping, some other, okay, protocols, like that. Okay, slowly one by one, based on our requirement we are going to installing. That is the reason for choosing minimal OS. Okay, now guys, so now, so what we are doing now, we have created one shell script file. Now what I am doing, I am going to creating, yes, yes, I think already we have placed in the LL. Already we have placed in. Now, if you want to execute this one, yes, you can execute in your local machine. You can execute in your local machine. If you want to execute, see, if you want to execute in other locations, for example, mandatory, the Jenkins server must have Git. Whenever you are going to configuring Jenkins, either master or slave, yes, we must have Git. If you want to integrate source code into GitHub repository from GitHub to Jenkins, we must have Git in our local machine. We must have Git in our local Jenkins server. Otherwise, we can't integrate the source code from GitHub to Jenkins. CI, continuous integration. It's a mandatory. Okay. So already I have written this source code. So once again, you need not to return. This one. So what I have to do? Yes, let me check it. Is it working or not first? So now already I have this one. Let me execute this one. But it will take a couple of minutes, guys. Minimum 5 to 10 minutes it will take time to finish this one. So the latest version is 4.9.4, sorry, 2.49.0. But here we have installed 2.43.5. Now here we are having that chmod +x install git. I have given permission to execute this shell script. Now I'm going to executing this shell script file to install latest version of git. So already we have installed the older version, but already I have mentioned one command to delete that version also. What is that? This one. Okay, see, we are removing this git version and we are clearing that. Okay, let me execute that step. So this is also one experience, nothing to do. Okay, so we need to remove that command. What is that? Yes, vim install git. Okay, vi install git. So this one, remove that, guys. And this one also. Okay, we will get some issues here. Okay, yes, that process is different. I'll tell that. Okay, now see, guys, now step by step it will execute what we have written. Forget about this one. Now it is started from here. Now it's going to installing vim wget taru make anjir. Vim for future file execution, file modification. At present it's not required, but for future reference, for future requirement, I have installed right now only. But it's mandatory. Right now it's mandatory. This one also mandatory. This one also mandatory. This one also mandatory. This one also mandatory for the execution. These steps. Yes. Now it's going to compile in C, guys. .c files. Something went wrong. Line number 13. Something went wrong. So here only something curl development, expert development, get text development, open SSL development, something. Any spelling mistake, guys, please find it. Devil, devil, this is okay, guys. It's a small p. That's the problem. Let me modify. See, we got that. We got that issue. We got that issue. See where we can see. Here only we can see that. So if you do any kind of mistakes, okay, the buffer stream completed. Now we we have that VIM. Now you can open that VIM step. See, guys. So here the mistake is small p. Okay, per icon ext utils. Now save this one. Once again that dot. Just wait, guys. One by one. It's already installed packages. Now it's downloading again. Line number 13. What is the reason? Okay, just wait, just wait. Yes, one by one. First of all, let me finish this one. Do you have any problem? Yes, success. Yes, unable to ext. Okay, okay, guys, I did a mistake. This is one package and this is one package. Okay, perl hyphen ext ext hyphen utils. Yes, that is the mistake. And GCC is one package, GCC one package, and perl hyphen ex utils one package. Now it's going. Just wait. But if you see what we are doing, we are testing in the local machine. If I upload this one, yes, I'm not only using, I'm not only one person to execute this one. The entire team will execute, having access rights to execute this repository. Okay, if I do mistakes, so everyone will get that problem. So that we are resolving, we are testing in our local machine. Now it's fine. Now it's fine. Now I'm going /opt location. So now, so what I'm doing that, so we have downloaded this one and we have extracted this one and we renamed that. Okay, yes, now cd git 2.49. Now the same command you can execute without. Now take this one, there is no any mistakes. Copy this one. Yes, paste here. This command will take time, guys. See now Let me show you one more tab, the same server. So what we will get the files by downloading cd space /opt git 2.49. See guys, we are having all.c files and .h files. It's a source code. Who are having that programming knowledge about C and C++, is those guys. So for example, if we take this one, see what is this? It's a complete source code. See what are this? These all are header files. blob, clob, tags. So see guys, see it's a complete original source code. Original source code. This was developed by Linus Torvalds by using C programming language. So they have given source code. Now what we are doing? We are compiling those source code files by using GCC and make commands. It is converting. It's creating .obj files. .o mean .obj files. We are having plenty of files here. Now we need to compile all these files. This command only time taking command. This entire process. Okay. If you want to see the same one here, yes, let me show you this one. So the same package, the same shell script, without getting any kind of issues, we can execute this one. Okay, let me show you. It's another server. How we can use, it's calling as a template. So are you going to, it's interview question, are you going to writing shell script programs? If you have that experience, yes, you can say that. Yes, so somewhat I'm going to writing. So whenever the requirement is there, just I'm going to modify based on latest requirement. I mean that version compatibilities or something pass are changing by using existing templates. Template nothing but it's a template. We can upload into in the GitHub repository. From there you are going to download in this one. Just in future, if the version will come 2.50, yes, just modify this one, change this one, just save this one. You can use the same template. You can use this template. Okay. Yes, I got this issue. Yes, let me, something went wrong. It didn't finish. Be inside the OPT CD. So why I'm getting this issue? Maybe, okay guys. So some maybe IP address issue. 128. This one is the 128. Yes, IP space E. Okay. See guys, this is the conflict here. 128, 128. So now, if you reboot this one, we will get different one. Okay. Yes. Let me restart. Still we are having 128. Just wait. Yes, still it is active. Let me restart. Yes, cd/opt git. Now same command, it will execute from there only. If it's already executed, just actually it should not happen like this, but the same IP address we got for two servers, so that reason we got that issue. Now we will get a different IP. Now you can check it. Yes, 133. Now yes, see guys. So I'm not going to writing the same script once again. So already script is there. Just I'm using as a template. I'm using as a template. So already I have installed Git in this mission. Git space hyphen version in yesterday's class. Okay. In this mission also we have it. Okay, fine. That's good. Okay. Now cd space /opt ll. So VAM. Yes. Already I have installed VAM. Already I have installed VAM. VAM. Yes. Install Git 2.49.0 .sh. Just now take this one. Yes, already we have modified this one. Nothing. Error. Yes, take this one. Place here. Escape. Shift :WQ. Just give the execute permissions. chmod +x install. Then you can see that dot install. Yes. But here we have mentioned VAM and already we have installed now. So once again it won't install. It won't install. The same task we are executing here. Yes. Git command, the same file. Something, yes, we are having mistake once again. In the make command. See guys. Make command. So let me check it. VIM. What is that? Install. Okay, come back one step. What's okay? Okay. Here we don't have enough. Problem. Already deadly open. Something guys, we are getting this issue. Actually, we don't have any kind of problem here. Actually, this one for 8.0, but I'm going to installing on 9.5. I will check this one guys. Okay, 100% already I have executed number of times. Okay, this is not first time, but it's a spelling mistake. Okay, so let me check it once again. Okay, we must be inside. Yes, successfully installed. Now, sorry, compile. Now apply that install. Okay, almost just matter of minute only. Yes, successful. Then, then take this command. So all over this one also over. So I think already this one also. Yes, let me check it. Git space hyphen version. Yes, the package older package is not available, so no need. Just come here directly. Take this one. Okay. Now you can apply that. See, command is not available. Command not found. But we have installed. It's a mandatory. It's 100%. You have to execute this one. Without this one, you can't. Now paste here. Yes. Now the same command. Apply this one. See guys. We got this one. But here, without anyone, yes, we are going to executing. Just wait still it installing. We will see that. See, I'm not going to disturbing. Just I have written one shell script. Just I have uploaded in that mission. I'm going to executing. I'm going to executing this one. Okay. See now, in one mission, successfully we have installed latest version of Git. Latest version of Git we have installed instead of the default version. Okay. Yes, guys. Yesterday's guys can understand easily. Yesterday, what we did already I told that the default version of package, is available in the see guys in Alma repo servers. In Alma Linux repo servers, they are having 2.43.5 version. Now today what I did, so we gone for private servers. Okay, what is that? Private servers. Private servers mean the package developers. Okay, package developers, private servers. Developers, private servers. They are having their own servers. See, this server is this one is their own server. This server is kernel.org is the one private server. The developers GitHub, sorry, these Git developers are having their own server. After that, they have uploaded their packages. Their packages. Okay. For example, see cloud DevOps.in. This is my server. So I have uploaded all softwares, all files here. I have uploaded this all files in my repo server. See, Java is available. Just click on that, it will download. See, like that. Okay, it's my private. It's my private. I have uploaded in my location like that. This Git developers also they are having their private server. They have uploaded. From there we have downloaded. From there we have downloaded. But this Alma Linux are having separate server for package managing repo server. That's calling as a repo server. From there we are going to downloading all required packages. All required packages. But they are maintaining little bit older version compared to latest version. Yesterday we did one, but today we did this one also. We have installed the latest version of package in our local machine by using okay, or that custom steps, by using custom steps. You got it now, guys? So this is another method to install latest version of Git. Let me check here. Still it's going. Okay, we will see that, guys. So guys, one task is over. Okay. Okay, guys. Now what we did? So in this case, what we did? Successfully we have installed the latest version also, and we cloned that repository also. Already we are having repository. Yes, move to /opt. Yes, guys. Now cd devops project 1. Yes, here we are having one shell script file. Just we have created one file, either garbage file or normal file. As a developer, if you are the DevOps engineer, you are having one today's task. That is, you need to create one shell script for installing latest version on all red hat flavors, red hat family flavors. Yes, as a person you have developed this one. After that, what you have to do? Yes, you are informing to your lead or something. You are informing to your lead. Yes, lead, I have developed that. Yes, you can see that. Yes, successfully I have executed in my mission. Okay. Okay, can you show that? Yes, see, git space hyphen hyphen version. This is the latest version. So this is the shell script. This is the shell script. Okay, these are the steps to install latest version. So for confirmation, yes, you can go there, just apply that. See guys, see, this is the latest version, same version we are executing in our mission. Next, what I have to do? Okay, then send it into GitHub repository. Send it into GitHub repository. Now what we are doing? Yes, git status. Guys, now I'm entering into one more step. Additional, I mean that in advanced level. Okay, yes guys, keep in mind. Now completely I'm entering into git task. Guys, this is the git hierarchy, how it works. Yes, for new guys, for today's, okay, newcomers. Yes guys, the how it works. Yes, the GitHub server having users. Inside servers, repositories are there. Inside that repositories, branches are there. Inside that branches, files are directories. So the default branch is main branch. We will get only one branch, that is okay, main. And even we are having in a local mission also the command git branch is a command, that command used for to see the existing branches in our local mission. Git branch is a command. Yes, okay, git branch. This command used for to list or see the all existed branches in our local repository, local repository, local git repository. Okay, for your better understanding. Okay, local git repository. See guys, okay, how many branches we are having? Only one branch, that is default branch, that is main branch. Default branch, main branch. So why I am saying that a default? We didn't create manually. This branch. So when we have created this repository in the remote, by default we got this repository. Okay guys, so in upcoming classes you can see once again, you can understand easily. Okay, so not only today, so this is not a last class, it's a first class. Okay, we are going to working with branches. Branching strategy. Branching strategy is very important concept in DevOps. Branching strategy is the very important concept in DevOps CI/CD pipeline. So we are going to working with multiple branches, and we can see how we can create branches also. So now, so guys, now coming to concept. See guys, imagine it. So it's a local repository. Which one we have cloned? To local? This is the local repository, and this is the remote. GitHub server. GitHub server. Okay, inside the server, inside that user, we are having one repository, that is project 1. This is the repository, project 1. Okay, this is the repository. And which one we have cloned? The same one we have cloned to local. Okay, now if you observe this one, inside we are having three virtual layers. Three virtual layers. We can't see those virtual layers in file format or any directory format. Or any file format or directory format. We can't see that. We need to understand by applying the git commands. This is the working directory, this is staging, this is committing. We are having three virtual layers. Those are, okay, one working directory, and another one staging or index, staging or index, and another one local committing, local local committing area, local committing area. Note that point. Note that point. It's a very important step. It's a very important step, guys. Now we have created one file. Now we have created one file. It is an untracked list. Untracked list. Okay. Yes. See, guys. This working directory having three types of files. Okay, by default, three types of files will come inside this working directory. Yes, and note that okay, these are in, just wait. Okay, for your better understanding, I am trying to explore. Yes, guys. See, guys, inside this, okay, the working directory. Okay, so we can see all files in a red color. Red color. Working directory files are in red color. One. Three types of files are there. One, modified files. Two, deleted files. Three, untracked files. Okay. So all files we can see in red color. These three modified files we can see red color, and deleted files and untracked files. And note that whenever you are seeing red color files, whenever we are seeing red color files, those files are located in working directory. Those files are located in working directory. Okay. Now see, for a practical example, now we are seeing in red color, that untracked. Of course, if you have any doubt, so why we are not seeing that modified files and deleted files? So my answer is, just now we have created this repository. We didn't create any files, and we didn't modify, and we didn't delete. Just now we have created this repository. Okay, just okay, we are having only one file, that is untracked file. Just now we have created all newly created files. Okay, so I mean that now here I want to give some more clear explanation. So the flow, okay, guys, don't mind if you have that already experience. This is for new guys. Okay, guys, here file. What is the file? What is the file? The file, maybe the file. Okay, modified file. Yes, just I'm writing that new file, newly created file. Copy or move. If you copy or move, if you copy or move from one location to this location. Next, to modify. Okay, if you modified file, and deleted file. Yes, these are very important upcoming classes. Deleted files. So whenever you create a new file, yes, it goes to working directory. It goes to working directory. So whenever you create new file, it goes to working directory. Whenever you copy the file or move the file to working directory, okay, automatically it comes into red color. So whenever you delete the file, by default it goes to working directory. Whenever you modify the file, by default it goes to working directory. See guys, if you copy, move or modify, if you delete, okay, this order comes up. So if you delete that, yes, we can see deleted. If you modify that, yes, we can see modified. If you move, or copy, if you are move or copy from other location to this repository, or if you create a new file, or if you do both, yes, this all files comes into working directory, untracked list in red color. Now just now we have created one file. Note that point. We can't upload files from working directory to directly GitHub repository. We can't push the files directly from working directory to remote GitHub repository. At the same time, we can't push the files from local staging area to remote repository. We can't push the files from local staging area to remote repository. Yes, we can push the files from our local committing to remote repository. We can push the files from our local committing to remote. Okay, so it's me. We need to place in our local machine. And one more point, we can't send the files from local working directory to directly local committing area. Not that point. We can't we can't send the files. We can't send the files local working directory to local committing area directly. So it's mean what we can, yes, we can send the files. First, what we have to do, we need to send the files first. Okay, local 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 index to local commit. We need to commit the files first. We need to add the files into staging area. then okay, then we can commit the files into remote repository, local committing. So before that, before sending to local commit, before trying to apply the command to commit the files into local, we need to apply the command. We need to apply the command, that is to add the files, local working directory to staging. We need to convert, we need to convert or we need to place the files from working directory to staging. So how we can see this one? How we can see this one? Yes, this one we can see complete green color. Complete green color. So how we can recognize? Guys, actually it's the HTML word, not COLOUR, only COLOR color. But here it's saying that, okay, but it's the word dictionary. Okay, forget about this one. Actually this is the web word, web spelling word is this one. Okay guys, here we can see new files. Instead of untracked files, we can see new files, remaining everything same. Remaining everything same. Got it, guys? Now we are seeing red color files. Now we are seeing red color files. Of course, at present we are having only one file. Now I want to upload this file. I want to upload this file into this GitHub repository. Into GitHub repository. And keep in mind, already I have mentioned that here already I have written this one. So what is the importance of this one? Still we are here. This is very important. Of course we will get this, we will get, okay, this issue, we will resolve that issue. Let me first of all, now what I am doing that, now I am trying to adding the file. Now my scenario is, my requirement is, whatever I have created file in my local repository, I want to upload these files into remote repository. Remote, I want to centralize that file into, okay, SCM server. How I can do that? So now, okay, so now what I'm doing that, now first what is the file is located? The file is located in the working directory. Now I'm sending to this staging area. The command is already I have executed in an SD session today once again. Yes guys, okay, git add this command used for to add one or more files at a at a time at a time. Yes, syntax, yes, git add space file name, git add space file name. For what? To add only one file, to add only one file. Next example, we are having real practical, see, we will see that. Now let me show you. So yes, git status is a command. Git status, this command used for to see the status of working tree. Yes, not, okay, working tree equals to working tree equals to working directory plus staging or index. Yes, you can, okay, staging or index. It's mean once you apply the git status command, we can see both working directory files and staged files we can see at a time. We can see both files at a time. So but for this time we are seeing only one color of files. So it's mean the staging is empty. Staging is empty. We didn't send any file to staging area. Just now we have created one file. That file is located in the working directory. So that reason we are seeing only red color files. The same command, git status command for both working directory files and staged files. We can see both files at a time, staged files and working directory files. Now at present we are having only. Now let me create one more file, touch DevOps. This is a garbage file. So here we are having two files. Here we are having two files. One is DevOps and one is latest Git. One is garbage file. Now Git status. See guys. Now what I am doing? Now I am adding only one file, that is install Git. Git add is a command. That command used for to add the file from working directory to staging. Now Git status. See guys, now both we are seeing. Now both we are seeing working directory files and the staged files. See the untracked file, that untracked file converted into new file. Already I told you that. See here, new file. But forget about this modified and deleted. Forget about modified and deleted. Okay. Okay. So we didn't modify and we didn't delete that. Just concentrate on this file. Okay. See the untracked file converted as a new file once you send to staging area. Now this file is ready to commit. This file is ready to commit. If you try to commit this one, see the command git commit -m test commit on DevOps files. Yes, what is that? DevOps. See, if I commit this one 100%, it will successfully. But I am trying to commit this one. Where it's located? This file is located in the working directory. The DevOps file is located in the working directory. I am trying to commit directly. I am trying to commit the file directly without sending to staging. It won't work. It won't work. It's not possible to commit like that. Okay, so let me show you. Yes, see what happened. Yes, maybe git commit -m. Okay, so already not matching, did not match any files. That's correct. Did not match any file. So it's mean it's verifying with whenever you apply the git command, that command fix the files. That command fix the files from staging area. The git commit command works. Git commit command works on staged files only. On staged files only for this time, not that point. Okay, on staged files only it will work. But now we are trying to commit the file. From working directory. So we didn't add that. See, so that we are getting this issue. The same one, if you apply that git status, now git commit -m yes, latest version of git version 1.0. Okay, it's mean not git version. This file is this. I am saying that first version, first expression. Git is a version control system. Git is a version control system. Inside this, I have mentioned these steps. Okay, this is my first version. This is my first version. In case in future, if I am going to modify this file, in case in future if I am going to modify this file, that time I have to mention 2.0 or 1.1. Okay, 1.2. If it is major version, directly I can go for 2.0. 2.0, like that we can. Okay guys. Now what I am doing, yes, let me finish this one. Just apply that, install. See guys, just wait. First time we will get one issue. First time we will get that issue. Let me show you. Just see guys, please tell me who you are. It's me. From unauthorized persons, Git should not accept commits. From unauthorized persons, Git should not accept commits. Git should not accept commits from the unauthorized persons. Note that point. Okay, who are going to committing this one? Whenever we commit the file, Git will write one note on the so and so person. On so and so person who committed that. It will write that. For writing that note, we should maintain our details. We should give our details, our mail ID and username we must give to Git. Then only it will accept, or it should accept our commits. So first of all, let me show you that git config -list. See, are we having any user here? Are you seeing any username and mail ID in this list? We don't have. Now what we have to do? We need to set this username and password. Yes, mail ID support@cloudgensoft.net. Okay. Yes. Now git config -global user dot name. Yes, cloudgen. Spelling mistake. Successfully we have committed. Then the same command you can apply once again. Yes, now it's accepted. It's one-time configuration. This is one-time configuration. What is one-time configuration? This username and password, username and mail ID is a one-time configuration. On every commit you need not apply. Okay, just only one configuration is enough. Successfully we have committed. Now you can see that git status, and note that git status commands works on only staged and working directory files. Git status commands only working and staging. You need to understand, but it will take some time to understand. Nothing to worry, we are doing practically every day. Okay, keep in mind, nothing to worry. See, git status command works on only working and staging areas only. So it's me It's me. It works. It should not work on committing area files. Committing area files. Committing area files should not respond to git status command. Committing area should not respond to git status command, so that we are not seeing committed file, but the file is there. The file is there. Okay, now the file is located in the committing. Now the file is located in the committing. Now we are going to apply the command to send the file to remote repository. Still the file is local in local area. Still the file is in local area. Okay, see guys, now what we are doing, now we are going to uploading that file into GitHub repository. Okay, the command is git push origin main. Git push origin main. Successfully we have committed that file. Successfully we have committed into GitHub repository. Now you can apply this command. See guys, 2 minutes ago we have committed. 2 minutes ago we have committed this file. You got it now? And it's a successful shell script command, shell script file. It's a successful shell script file. And you can see this one. Yes, something. Okay. So fine, still okay. VIM install. So here we need to delete these two guys. Still the file is here only. Okay, yes, save this one. Yes, remaining there are no any mistakes. That's it. Okay, save this one. Try to execute this once again. Okay, just wait. Okay, we can see practically. So now it's going to installing OpenSSL. Okay, GPG, zlib, get text. Step by step it will execute. So total downloadable is 63 MB, but installable size is 174. Now it's downloading all required packages, whatever we have mentioned inside that shell script. Inside the shell script. Now it's going to compiling. If we have any mistake, if we are having any mistake in these two, in these two steps, 100% this process will stop. This process immediately it stops this process. When if we are having any kind of spelling mistake, or if you haven't installed any kind of these packages, if you miss any one package out of this and these packages, total 7 packages, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. This is only one package. 5 plus 2, total 7 packages you must install in your local machine whenever you are going to following these steps to install latest version of Git. Just wait guys, it will take some time, and I am stopping this recording also for some. Guys, if you observe this one, see, successfully completed, successfully completed by using this shell script. Now it's a okay, successful executable shell script file. Okay, in future if you want to this one, yes, you can take this, you can take this link to install directly in your missions. There are no any mistakes. Okay guys, it's a successful executable script file. Okay, so that's all in today's session guys. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. In tomorrow's session, we will continue from here. Okay, yes, any doubt, any doubt? In today's session, we saw that how to install latest version of Git also. Okay, yes, any doubt?